In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach multiple files in a message in the Outlook web app. By the end, you'll be able to add several files to a single email quickly and confidently, whether they're on your computer or in the cloud. Start by opening a new email, or reply to or forward an existing message in Outlook on the web. In the Compose window, look for the paperclip icon labeled Attach. Depending on your layout, you'll see it along the top toolbar or at the bottom of the message pane. Click it, then choose either Browse this computer to attach files stored locally, or Browse cloud locations if your files live in a service like OneDrive. Browsing your computer uploads copies directly to the email. Browsing cloud locations links to files you've stored online, which can help with very large documents or when you want to keep a single shared version. When the File Explorer window opens, click the first file you want. To add more, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and click each additional file you'd like to include. This lets you pick non-adjacent files from the same folder without losing your selection. Once you've selected everything, click Open. Outlook will attach them all at once, and you'll see them appear in the Compose area, confirming they're included. If you're adding a bunch of files, there's an even quicker method: drag and drop. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac and navigate to the folder containing your files. Select them all either by clicking and dragging a selection box around them, or by clicking the first file, holding Shift, and clicking the last one to select Arrange. Now drag that group directly into the body of your email. Outlook will display a prompt with options such as Upload to OneDrive and Share Link or Attach Files. For traditional attachments that your recipient can download right away, choose Attach Files. If you're working with very large files or prefer a single shared version that you can update later, the OneDrive option is useful, but for most everyday emails, Attach Files is the straightforward choice. That's it. Thanks for watching.